Okay, so one of the doctor said, what are the problems you're facing with clinical exam? So any clinical exam, although the question says AMC clinical, it can be medical student exam, or it can be USMLE step 2 CS, or PLAB exam, PLAB part 2, or your final year medical school exam. So any clinical exam is the same. The approach, the strategy is the same. So if you're looking for a full-time study partner, and if you're looking for role plays, then I think the best thing to do is look for a link under this video. If you can't find a link, then make sure you send an email to me. It's doctor, it's very hard to, and I will ask you a few details, like proof. It's TALARI. So maybe I will just write it properly. So TALARI. So send me an email and I will add you to the group. Inside the group, we discuss lots of strategies. I can tell you with 100% confidence that no medical book teaches some of the strategies which I'm teaching, and probably no medical educator or even your professor doesn't know them, because I have created them. So where we do role plays, what are things I'm learning from my real patients, and what are all the things I'm learning by teaching doctors and medical students. I put all those things into case studies, so that way you can actually pass your clinical exams easily. So if you're looking for study partners who are serious, and you want to discuss some recalls or previous cases, then I think the best thing to do is join the group. Make sure you look for a link. There will be a WhatsApp group link, and when you click, you will not be joined straight away, because in the past I had some issues with scammers. They came and annoyed the hell out of everyone. So I will ask for some proof. So when you join, I will send a text message, or one of my team will send a text message saying, I need proof that you are preparing for medical exams, like your medical school identity, or something, you passed the AMC clinical, or you have booked for step 2 clinical, any exam. All I need is proof. When you show me the proof, then I will add you to the group. So this is a way just to avoid scammers, and you can have so many study partners there. You can post things and students will help, or have some educators as well who are in the group who will help you with that. I will be personally checking all the comments, and I've posted so many video trainings which I sell for other people. People pay for that, but when you are in this group, you will get to listen to them for free. And purely this is to help as many doctors and medical students as possible. Yes, there might be a once in a while I might say, hey, I'm opening up group coaching program. That's what I wanted to do, because I believe that a lot of doctors and medical students need this coaching, and there is no pressure that you have to join the coaching program. But if you want faster results, if you want to be successful in your work as a clinician, then I think you will benefit for sure by joining the group coaching program. And I made it very affordable, so that way anyone can pay, or anyone can join it. And I would advise minimum of 8 weeks is the minimum thing I believe is what you need, but it's a weekly payment. You don't have to pay like a one-off thing. I want to make it as easy as possible so more students can afford it. And it'll be a group coaching program where we catch up 3 times a week and we do role plays. I discuss the strategies I'm learning. There are lots of courses like brainstorming formula on how you analyze a scenario when you actually read the scenario, like multiple strategies I figured out on my own, which no medical books are teaching. And you get that access to that, and you get an access to community of people. You get to ask me anything. And inside this free group, if you don't want to join the paid coaching program, that's fine as well. You can still ask me something, and if there is something like this, I will actually do a video, so that will help everyone. So If you are a medical student or a doctor preparing for clinical exam, then send me the proof. Or if it's easy, just flick an email, dr.talari.education@gmail.com. I will verify everything and add you to the group where you can get so much stuff which other people pay. Seriously, other people pay to get that, but I want to give it give it as free, because that might help you join my group coaching program. So if you see value that yes, this guy can help me, then you will surely join my programs, because in today's day and age, a lot of people don't have trust. So this is a way of me showing that I'm a genuine guy. I know what I'm talking. I created all these things, and that'll help you with your exams.